If you're a foreign investor, you can now own 100% of Indian insurance companies. But remember, all those premiums, they gotta be invested within the country. Premiums gotta stay invested in this country, within this country, invested in this country. And now if you wanna send some money abroad, you can send up to 10 lakh every year without paying any extra taxes. Have no fear. If you wanna remit funds for your daughters and your sons studying abroad, education loans, the Indian government